Hey everyone, this is Inam Ur Rehman 7 here. In this video I'll be teaching Mudslide by Daniel Lin. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it and clicking all notifications, because I'll be posting every day from now onwards so that you can be notified whenever I upload my new tutorial or performance video. Now, without further ado, let's get down to the tutorial. Okay, so for Mudslide, you're going to hold the deck in a straddle grip and you're going to do a chandelier cut, which is pretty basic and straightforward. So this is what you're going to do right now, a chandelier cut, and you're not going to complete it yet. What you're going to do now is use your right thumb and your right middle, and you're going to place it right at the bottom here and the other middle right over here. So what you're basically doing is pushing this packet down from here, breaking it with your right thumb, sliding it out. So you're holding the center packet with your thumb and middle that you're sliding out. What you're going to do now is, once you reach right about here, you're going to pivot it slightly like this about your left middle, like this, and you're going to use this packet to pivot it. So this packet is pivoting about your thumb and middle. So from here, pivoting it, and so you can see it's now face up. So now you're holding on 3 packets. This one's in chandelier and this one you're holding with your thumb and middle. Now what you're going to do is complete the chandelier cut over here, and at the same time you're going to basically push this packet like so by rolling it about your middle and ring like so, so it aligns like so. Okay, so to do this step again, what it's supposed to look like is breaking the packet, twisting it about your left middle like this. Now you have 3 packets, you roll it, align it. What I mean by align is these edges align, and you have completed the chandelier cut over here. So this is the position. From now onwards, this is very important what you're going to do. Now you're going to place your thumb right over here like this, and you're going to push this bottom packet so that this packet can move like above it. And what you're basically doing is placing your thumb here, and your index and middle are clipping this card over here like this packet over here like so. So this is your thumb, push it down, and this is your right thumb. Now push your left thumb like so. See, it's now balanced on my thumb. What you're gonna do now is allow this packet to slide and allow this packet to now basically fall on your thumb. So this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do now with this packet over here is you're going to basically extend your index finger like so. So you can see I extended my index finger, and you're going to use your pinky to push this bottom packet upwards slightly. So from here, you're basically doing this, so this packet moves upwards, and you're clipping this packet over here with your ring finger and your middle finger, and this packet over here is basically balanced on your thumb. But what you're gonna do is, once you have extended your index, you're holding this packet like so with your thumb here at the bottom, and your middle is curled underneath like so. So now I've described individual positions of the packet. Now in motion it's supposed to look like this. I'm sorry, I accidentally closed the Charlotte card over here. Rotating it, using your thumb and clipping this packet over here with your index and middle. So basically you're doing both these motions at the same time, pushing this thumb down, placing your thumb right over here, pushing it down. See, I extended my index, and this is the grip. Now you're supposed to be in this kind of grip. So like one packet's over here, the other here, and this one's facing towards you. And this is the grip that I just mentioned earlier, how you're holding this packet. You can pause the video if you find it confusing. The thumb is here like so, this is your middle, and the index on top. Now comes the rotation parts. So what you're gonna do now is, as you can see, this packet is clipped with your ring and middle. You're going to keep it there clipped. You're going to use this packet and you're going to flip it like so around your thumb. See, I flipped it around my thumb and you can see it landed right over here and it's balanced. What you're going to do now is, you might find tricky, but this is like a recording, so you can rewatch it. You're going to use your pinky. You see this pinky? What you're going to do is, first of all, push these two packets with your index, index and middle like so, but preferably pushing it with your index. So what I mean is pushing these two packets. So this is your middle over here, your left middle. Pushing these two packets against it. When you basically, okay, I'll try to give it at a different angle. From here, once you reached right over here, okay, what I'm trying to do is, once you flip this packet over, you're going to use your index and push this packet, these two packets like so. When you push these packets with your index, you create some room right at the bottom here so you can insert your pinky. See what I mean? If your packet is touching the packet, you can't really insert your pinky. But if you raise it slightly by clipping these two packets with your thumb and between your index, that's basically pushing this packet upwards. You can see I've created a small space. What you're gonna do now is, once you have your pinky underneath, you're gonna place your thumb over here and you're going to do two things at once. The first thing is, place your left middle over here. You're going to push this packet, clip packet against your middle, and place your thumb underneath over here. So you can see it again. You can find this packet again balanced on your thumb, and this packet is landing again right so in the clip position that I taught you earlier. And this is the position for the packet from the beginning. Now this is basically how you rotate both the packets together. So I'll do it again, rotating it. So flipping the packet over, curling your index, pushing this packet with your index, lifting it up slightly so you can get your pinky, placing your middle over here and your thumb over here. So this is what happened. Okay, now once you have done this part, what you're gonna do now is pretty easy. You're gonna do the same part again, flipping it over, but now you can, once you have your middle over here, your index, this is your right index, you're not gonna use your pinky. Instead, you're just gonna use your middle, your right middle, and clip this packet like so, and the same rotation again, and you close. So now I'll do a quick walkthrough of it. First, this is the basics, the Charlotte cut, stripping the packet out, rotating it, and push this on top of your thumb, and these packets are now aligned like so, in a triangle, kind of pointing in the opposite direction, the two packets. And now the rotation of packet above, clipping these two packets with your, now you're going to pick clip this bottom packet with your pinky and your thumb over here. Push this packet, push your your left middle against the packet. So now you're in this position, pivoting this packet about your thumb again, and placing this packet so it aligns on top. Again, flipping it over, but this time you're gonna not use your pinky, instead use your index, your middle, so this, like so. These two align and you close.